Hello dear student, today start from the new topic name. Your new topic name is count to subtract. Okay, now your question is what? First of all read the question carefully. Here will be subtract by counting forward using the number line. Okay, one by one example solve it. First of all start from the first one example. Here first one example is 35 subtract it 12 is equals to what? Okay, first of all solve the simple subtraction. First of all write down the 35 subtract it 12. It means that here will be 35 subtract it 12. Now we have to solve it. 5 minus 2 is equals to what? 3. Okay, and the 3 minus 1 is equals to what? 2. Okay, it means that your answer is what? 23. Okay, this is our simple method, but your other method is what? Subtract by counting the forward using the number line. Okay, it means by using the number line. Now we have to solve this question. Okay, first of all we have to draw the number. First of all you have to draw the line. Okay, the your question is what? 35 subtract it 12 is equals to what? Okay, now the first of all start from your number line. Draw the number line first of all. Now start from the 12. Okay, it means that start from the 12. Now you have to 12, you have to add with 10. Your answer is what? 22. Definitely 12 plus 10 is equals to 22. Now second 22, again we have to add with 10. Next your answer is what? 32. Okay, now next is the add with 3. It means that your answer is what? 35. Okay, why 35? Because 32 is our add with 3. But why add 3? Because here will be 35 subtract it 12 is equals to what? 23. It means they first start from the 12. Okay, 12 add with 10, then is what? 22. Again add with 10, your answer is what? 32. And the 32 is our add with 3. Your answer is what? 35. It means your completion of what? 35. Okay, now just we have to addition is what? Here will be plus 10. Here will be 10 is our add with plus 10 is our add with 3. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 3 is equals to what? 23. It means that your answer is what? 23. Okay, so simple example. Here will be 35. You have to subtract it 12 is equals to what? 23. This is one method, and another method you have to subtract by counting the forward using the number line. By using the number line, now we have to solve this question. Okay, now I start from the second one question. Here will be second one question is what? 60 minus 43. First of all solve the simple method. Here will be 60 minus 43. First of all solve it. Okay, here will be 60 minus 43. It means what? Here will be 0 minus 3 is not possible. This is over at 10 minus 3 is equals to what? 7. Okay, here will be 6 can be replaced by the 5. Here will be 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Okay, it means that your answer is what? 17. Okay, here will be 60 minus 43 is equals to what? 17. This is your simple method. But another method by using by subtract by counting the forward using the number line. Okay, first of all you have to show the number line. Start from the 43. Okay, now the start from the 43 is our add with 10. Your answer is what? 53. But your completion of answer is what? Here will be 60. It means that 53 is our add with 7. Your answer is what? 60. Okay, it means that once again I repeated, 43 is our add with 10. Your answer is what? 53. 53 is our add with 7. Your answer is what? 60. Okay, it means that here will be 10 is our add with 7. So your answer is what? 17. Okay, this is our examples are related to what? Subtract by counting the forward using the number line. Okay, start from the next one example. Example number 3. Here available example number 3 is what? Here will be 86 subtract it 25 is equals to what? First of all we have to solve the simple method. Your simple method is what? 86 subtract it 25. Okay, now first of all you have to solve is 6 minus 5. Your answer is what? 1. Okay. 8 minus 2 is equals to what? 6. It means that your answer is what? 61. Okay, here will be 86. Subtract 8, 25 is equals to what? 61. Okay, this is what a simple method. Now we have to solve the next one, count by subtract by using the number line. Okay, first of all, for the similar example, start from the 25. Okay, first of all, write down your 25. We have to add the 10 10. Okay, 25 is our add with 35. Okay, 25 is our add with 10. Your answer is what? 35. Again add with 10. Next is what? 45. 45 again is our add with 10. This is what? 55. 55 is our add with 10. Your answer is what? 65. 65 again is our add with 10. Your answer is what? 75. And the 75 is our add with 10. Your answer is what? 85. 85 is our add with 10. Your answer is what? 95. But you have to obtain from what? 86. It means that here will be 85 is our add with 1. Your answer is what? 86. Okay, this is our very so simple example. Okay, first of all you have to solve the simple method and another method by using the number line. Okay, understood. Now let's start from the next new topic. Next topic, this is a words problem, and this is a words problem is related to addition and subtraction. Okay, once one by one words problem study. First of all, words problem. There are 137 buses standing in the bus stand. Okay, 214 more buses come in the bus stand on the day. How many buses is the standing in the bus stand? Okay, first of all, write down the given condition. Your given condition is what? There are 137 buses standing a bus stand. Okay, this is a given condition. And the next given condition is what? 214 more buses come come in the bus stand. Okay, it means that 137 is the add with 214. Okay, why addition? Because your question here will be there. There are 137 buses standing in the bus stand. Okay, 214 more buses. More buses, it means that we have to use the addition sign. Okay, now solve the addition. 137 is our add with 214. First of all, we have to use the STO format. Here will be 100 STO format. Okay. Now 137 is our add with 214. 7 plus 4 is our 11. This is our 1 and 1 is also carry. 3 plus 1 is our 4. 4 plus 1 is our 5. Okay, next 1 plus 2 is our 3. It means that your answer is what? 351. Okay, the we have to well, first of all write down the given condition, solve the calculation, and next we have to write down the last line. It means that your last line is what? 351 buses is are standing in the bus stand. Okay, this is our final answer. Now let's start from the second one example. Example number second. A shopkeeper had 200 chocolates, out of which 115 were sold in a day. How many chocolates is are left? Okay. First of all, write down the given condition. Your given condition is what? A shopkeeper had 200 chocolates. Okay. 200 subtract it 180 115. Okay. First of all, write down the given condition. Total number of chocolates is 200, and out of the 200 is 115 were are sold. The meaning of sold, it means that you have to use the selling price, selling. Okay, 200 subtract with 115, we have to solve it. 0 minus 5 is not possible. This is our what? 10 minus 5, your answer is what? 5. And the 0, again 0 can be replaced by the 9. 9 minus 1, your answer is what? 8. It means that your 85 is left. Okay, In your worst problem, first of all write down the given condition, then you have to solution, and then you have to write down the last line. It means that 85 chocolates is our left. Okay, this is our worst problem is related to addition and subtraction. Okay, I hope everyone student get understood how can we solve the words problem and the count to subtract by using the also number line. Okay, and the next topic start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.